Hey guys, we're making tandoori chicken today. We're in my parents' kitchen. Let's go. So what do we need for tandoori chicken? Well, we need this and we need that, but bigger picture, we need to marinate some rice and some chicken for later on. Throughout our video, we'll look at what we need in detail and the quantities we need. I won't bore you right now. Let's make some room for our recipe. First step, we need to marinate our chicken. Chicken breast on a board, deep incision so that the marinade can go right in. Flip. This is optional, but the marinade will go in and make your chicken way more tasty. Flip, reserve, and one last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Everything checks out. Pour the knife in the sink. The knife came back clean. Toss the chicken away. Bring a bowl right here. We will move on to our garlic and ginger. Garlic ginger table. That's way too much ginger for today. We'll do one piece like that. Slice and dice, baby. Spin and dice. Ginger is decimated to a pulp inside the bowl. Bowl away and garlic. Smash. Smashed and pass around. Bring it back like a happy family and destroy. Our garlic is obliterated. Bring the bowl back and the garlic can go with the decimated ginger. Bowl away, clean up our table and start making our marinade. Garlic and chicken can go away and our lemon can come on the way. What we want is zest and juice. First off, let's zest. I cleaned my lemon before this just to make sure all of the pesticides are off. We got one pass around, shake it all off, reserve the lemon, and in a bowl let's put the zest in. Zest, reserve, and lemon will cut in two. For our marinade, we need a lot. Here they are. There's a lot of stuff, we'll see them in detail. Bowl. In the middle, Greek yogurt, plain, 180 milliliters. Plop it all inside. Paprika, 3 grams. Paprika chili powder or isu, just a pinch. Garam masala, about 4 grams. Turmeric, 2 grams. In other words, a pinch. Cumin, 2 grams. Lemon zest on top. Oil, 1 shot, 15 milliliters. Juice of 1 full lemon. Crush it like the skull of your enemy, throw it away, and move on to the second one. Alright, these lemons are quite juicy, so 1/2 may have been enough. And away. Spin, the rest in the compost. Right now, garlic and ginger. Smash it all in. Salt. And pepper to taste. Mix all of these flavors together. We want to have a nice thick consistency, a nice paste. For a tandoori chicken that pops with color, we'll add just a bit more paprika. Bring the sides all together. One final mix. Now our chicken. Chicken pre-cut inside. 3. With clean hands, let's mix it all together. It's really time to have fun and get messy with it. Everything is nicely coated and now plastic wrap on top in the fridge 5 hours, and that gives me a lot of time to wash my hands perfectly. After 5 to 6 hours, well, for my video I only waited about 20 minutes, but we will cook our chicken now. On a tray, let's add some oil. 1 shot of oil. And with a paintbrush, just even it out. Alright, that's enough arts for today. And chicken inside our tray. Do 1 last flip, 2, and 3. Add a bit of marinade on top. In an oven at 350 Fahrenheit, let's place our chicken in the middle. Let's wait 20 minutes and check out after. After 25 minutes in the oven, let's see what we have. We're getting there, we're not quite there yet. We have another 5 to 10 minutes in the oven, but now we can move on to our rice. Chicken back in. And our rice right over here. I'm using pre-cooked rice, water 250 milliliters, heat on high, and wait for it to boil. Our water is boiling, rice 250 grams inside. Incorporate it together, turn the heat down to low, cover, and wait 5 minutes. We have a minute left for our rice. That means our chicken has a minute left. We will put the heat onto grill to crisp up our marinade on top. After 5 minutes, our rice is done. Heat off, push it away. And let's get our chicken out the way. Chicken reserve, and our plaque can go in the sink. Chopping board. On chopping board, grab the biggest one just to be sure, and let's cut it in 2. Absolutely beautiful. Well cooked, still juicy inside, and the smell is amazing. Reserve it, and now let's plate. Rice over here, top off, and what do we have? A beautiful white rice ready to be eaten. Grab your plate and plate. Your beautiful oven-cooked chicken tandoori knows its place. For a hint of freshness, parsley right there. We prepped, we cooked, we are done. Thank you guys all so much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in our next one. See ya, bye.